I have a very important message for somebody. I'm hearing the song All Eyes on Me. And I feel like this year you are going to have so many people watching you, on you. This is definitely somebody who is a singer, actor, who is trying to get maybe on Broadway. They're showing me, because they're showing me like the Broadway lights. I'm also seeing social media creators, and it's those people who have really been working hard for a breakthrough. Your angels are asking, are you ready for the spotlight, right? Because you've been wanting this so long. Don't choke now at the last minute. You've been wanting this to happen for the longest time, and it's coming. You've put all the hard work in already. You don't have to work hard anymore. You will do once you're working and once you're doing what you're doing, but I mean, you won't have to work hard to strategize to get where you want to be. And I feel like someone is coming in, and it's a dark-haired woman, and she's coming in with an offer of a contract. And for some of you, they're showing me like a book as well. So you've been working on a book, or you might be journaling, but I'm definitely seeing a book. They're coming in with the offer to sign the contract for the deal. You're feeling a little bit discouraged because you do feel like that the effort that you'll be putting in, and even the quality of what you've got to offer, is not being recognized. But Spirit says it is, but it's behind the scenes at the moment, so you haven't seen how far it's got you, but you will. Your guides are saying, don't be afraid to speak your truth, sound your truth, and to take up space. There is no more of this being kind of meek and mild and respectful. Still be respectful, but I feel like your energy shouldn't. I feel like your energy, you're holding something back, and Spirit is saying you need to stop holding back your energy, and you need to really put it out there. You need to shine, and the way that the right person is going to find you is if you fully stand in your authenticity, no matter who thinks it's okay, no matter who says it's not going to work, no matter who thinks you're ridiculous, or whatever fears you've got going on. That is your shadow self talking, and that is what's holding you back, your fear. You need to fully release to fully bring in this opportunity. I've got some dates. March the 3rd. I've got April the 21st. They're downloading to me August the 4th. And also November is a big month. So there's a few different key dates in there. This is your opportunity to grow, shine, and put yourself out there, and you should take it, because actually this is part of your soul journey. It's almost like this is the last lock that you've got to unopen, and that locker isn't anything to do with the work you've got to do. It's how you are presenting yourself to the world, and that should be in your authentic, true self. That's the last key to the last lock. Abundance and wealth await you.